Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental concept involving circles and lines, the tangent. By the end of this video, you will understand what a tangent is and the special relationship it has with the circle's radius. Before we dive in, let's quickly recall the basics of a circle. A circle is defined by a center point and a fixed distance from that center, called the radius. The boundary of the circle is the set of all points that are exactly this radius distance away from the center. Keeping these definitions in mind is crucial for what comes next. So, what exactly is a tangent? Imagine a straight line moving towards a circle. A tangent is a specific line that touches the circle at exactly one single point. It does not cut through the circle, it just grazes the edge. This unique interaction is what defines a tangent. To understand this better, let's compare it to a secant. On the left, you see a secant line. Notice how it enters the circle and exits it, intersecting at two distinct points. On the right is our tangent. It does not enter the interior, it intersects at only one point. That is the key difference. Secant equals 2 points, tangent equals 1 point. This single point where the tangent line and the circle meet is very special. We call it the point of contact, or sometimes the point of tangency. In our diagram, point P is the only point that exists on both the line and the circle simultaneously. Now for the most important theorem regarding tangents. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This means that if you draw a radius from the center to that touching point, it will always form a 90-degree angle with the tangent line. Why does this happen? Let's use logic. Take any other point, say Q, on the tangent line. Because Q is not the point of contact, it must lie outside the circle. This means the distance from the center O to Q is longer than the radius. The radius is the shortest possible distance from the center to the line. In geometry, the shortest distance between a point and a line is always the perpendicular distance. What if we start from a point outside the circle? From an external point T, you can draw exactly two tangents to the circle. The interesting property here is that the lengths of these two tangents, from the external point to the contact points P and Q, are exactly equal. So, TP equals TQ. We see tangents every day. A bicycle wheel on a road is a perfect example. The road acts as a tangent to the circular wheel at the point where they touch. Similarly, in machinery, a belt moving over pulleys acts as a common tangent line connecting the two circles. Let's summarize what we learned. A tangent touches a circle at exactly one point. The radius drawn to this point of contact is always perpendicular to the tangent line. And finally, if you draw two tangents from an outside point, they will have equal lengths. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.